Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on the Kraken Wallet application if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. If you have forgotten your password and need to reset it on the Kraken Wallet application, then first of all go ahead and open it up. Now once the application is opened up, you will be asked to log into your account or create a new account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and tap on the sign in button if you want to reset your forgotten password. Now this will take you into the sign in page where you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now if you have forgotten your password, tap on the reset password button underneath the password box, and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used to sign up for your account on the Kraken Wallet application in the first place, and then tap on the reset password button. Once you tap on this button, you will receive an email within your email address containing a code or a link that you can use to reset your password. Go ahead and tap on the link or use the code, and you will be allowed to enter a new password for your account. Now after changing your password and continuing forth, you will be able to use your newly reset password along with your original email address or your username to log into your account and regain access once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Kraken Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.